and not just tell you, but show you. I got two Slims sitting right here. I've got an S model and a standard model, right? Which are awesome motorcycles. If you're challenged a little bit, maybe in your inseam, that's the great motorcycle for you. What about trikes? I've got 3 trikes sitting here right now, right? All late model, low mile stuff, right? Let's talk about heritages. As I go down the list, I'm sitting on 5 heritages. All beautiful, look brand new. A lot of people ask us, is this the new stuff? No, this is our pre-owned inventory. Let's walk on down the line. We've got Fat Boy, we've got Deluxes, we've got more Fat Boys, we've got more Deluxes. And that's not even including another bike that everybody loves is the FXDF. I've got 3 of them sitting right here. You need a Dyna, the new Dyna. We have the new Dynas, we have the old Dynas, we have all the different motorcycles that you need. Street Bob, need a Street Bob? I've got 4 of them right here. Now, one of the hardest motorcycles that you're gonna find is the Dyna FXDLS. I've got 2 of them sitting here. I mean, I got 2 of them sitting right on the showroom floor, and then look at the line of road glides, street glides, and limiteds that we have. I mean, that's incredible. Now, we have these bikes sitting on the showroom floor. This is not something on an internet site or on a website that we don't have. Come down and check out the selection, because what you're going to find out at Desert Wind, there is a difference.